Have you ever found yourself intrigued by the ketogenic diet, but put off by the intricate meal planning and strict macronutrient tracking? If so, then the Lazy Keto Diet might just be the answer you've been searching for. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Lazy Keto, a more flexible approach to the popular ketogenic diet. Firstly, let's get a grasp on what the Lazy Keto Diet is. The Lazy Keto Diet, unlike the traditional keto diet, is all about simplicity. It emphasizes on keeping the carbohydrate intake low, usually around 20 to 50 grams per day, pushing your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat instead of carbohydrates for fuel. Instead of tracking every single macronutrient, the Lazy Keto approach focuses solely on carbohydrates. So, what's on the menu for a Lazy Keto follower? You have a plethora of delectable options. Meats, fish, eggs, cheese, nuts, seeds, and low-carb vegetables are all on the list. High-carb foods like grains, sugars, and starchy vegetables, on the other hand, are to be avoided. Meal planning on the Lazy Keto Diet is quite forgiving. You can enjoy flexibility in your meal plans, focusing on keeping your carb intake low and opting for keto-friendly foods, making it easier to adhere to the diet without feeling overwhelmed. Now, to give us a real-life perspective, we have a guest who has successfully followed the Lazy Keto Diet. Can you share your Lazy Keto journey? Guest: absolutely, traditional diets always seem too restrictive for me. Lazy Keto, however, allowed me to relish tasty food and still witness positive results. I appreciate not having to worry about tracking every tiny detail and instead just concentrate on maintaining low carbs. Fantastic! Any advice for those considering Lazy Keto? Guest: yes, indeed. My primary advice would be to focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods and tune in to your body. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so discover what suits you best and don't hesitate to experiment. To wrap up, the Lazy Keto Diet simplifies the ketogenic approach, focusing on low carbohydrate intake and offering more flexible meal planning. It could be an excellent option if you're aiming to lose weight, boost your health, or simply enjoy tasty food without the fuss. However, before embarking on any new diet, always remember to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next